Hey, how's it going? John from Branson, Cerakote. I'm going to do a video today on the Vetus ESD15. It's a type of tweezers that we use in the shop for stencil work. We order them off of eBay, and what you want to really be careful of is that you get the actual Vetus brand tweezers. What you want to look for in the listing is that they actually say Vetus on the side, and they're VETUS, and then the brand that we use, or the model that we use, are ESD15s. The reason when you want to use the ESD15s is they are the model that have the point on the end, and the reason why we like those is because that point allows you to get under the edge of the stencil material without actually damaging it. You need to be really careful about not getting the fake ones that are for sale in there. Some of the listings will actually say Vetus on them. However, when you get the package in the mail, it will not be actual Vetus brand. What you need to look for on the listing is the green and white blister pack that actually has Vetus on the packaging and tweezers. What you'll find with the knockoffs, and we've got a package of them here that we got in the mail, it's just going to come in like a China Post package with individual tweezers just in little cellophane packaging. The problem with these are, and we'll put some pictures at the end of the video, the problem with the knockoffs is that they're made out of really inferior metal, and normally what you'll run into is the tips are rounded off, they're not pointy, so they will not get up underneath that stencil material like you need to. The Vetuses, we've never had an issue with those. They do eventually wear out. They're good for a couple of months, and you just pitch them. They run for about $6.50 a pair on eBay, but they are worth their weight in gold. One of the reasons why we've ordered these off of eBay is because eBay has that money back guarantee. So if you do happen to get a false listing where people are saying they're selling Vetus brand, you get them in and they're not Vetus, you can get your money back. Normally what we've had happen is you contact the buyer, basically point out the fact that they're selling a fake product. They give you your money back and tell you to keep them. Normally we just pitch these in the trash because they're worthless. We can't use them in the shop anyway. I just happened to keep this because I knew we were going to do this video. Like I said, we just wanted to do a quick video on a really cool tool that we use in the shop, and it's something we know would help you guys with your stencil work. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And don't forget to check us out on BransonCerakote.com. Click the shop link for all your stencil needs. And again, thanks for watching.